video and subscribe.
Today we're drawing acid, and the colors you need are purple, lime, black, and magenta. So acid is a pure mixed Sprunki, and he is sulfur's brother, and you can find them by placing tox by acid, and you can find sulfur. So let's get started. So acid is basically made out of acid because he's called acid, because he's made out of acid. That's why Sprunki named him Acid. And his name is Lily Acid. So he's basically like toxic too. Even though he's not real, do not go by him, because he is radioactive. And he's really crazy. He is like the craziest Sprunki that I know. And Acid is a cat. And last time, Oren, I don't know what he is. He's probably an alien. But, so, Acid actually has a tail this time. Oren didn't have a tail in the game, so we can make Acid's tail. And just so you know, the ears are not purple. There's just side ears, and his ears are black. And it's fine if you made the ears the wrong color, because you can just color over the ears if they're the wrong color black. But if you made the side ears black, it's going to be hard to do that. So make sure not to do that. Because if you do, it's going to be really hard to make Acid, because he does not look like that. If he looked like that, he would be weird. I didn't even know Acid was a Sprunki until I actually saw Sprunki Pure Mixed. And if you want to play Sprunki Pure Mixed, it's on not every app. It's not on Google. It's on Google though. And if you search up Sprunki, it's spelled Sprunki. You can find this app called Sprunkin, and it has Sprunki Pure Mixed on it. As Sprunki Pure Mixed Extra, I would not recommend playing that because it's hard to load. It doesn't really load at all. And that's all I have to say right now, because I can't think of anything else. So I'm just going to get back to drawing. We need to color this in. Color that in. And if you're wondering, what is the eyes going to look like? Because last time, they had just both have white in the eyes. And you might be thinking, that's probably the same how these eyes are going to look. But that's not how they're going to look this time. Because Acid has acid in his right eye. We can color that in later. So I'm going to do this. And Acid's eye is black, just so you know. This, and you can just color green over this black, because you can literally just color back over it. And first, I need to color over this green. Probably gonna rip the paper. Yeah, it's catching a lot of paper. Add those 3 lines to the bottom of the eye. And I'm just coloring this in. And just so you know, that's the pupil. That right there, that little dot is the pupil. That's the pupil. It's just a little dot. And if you're wondering what his smile or mouth is gonna look like, I'm gonna show you in a minute when I color in this whole face. In this. So first, I need to make the mouth, because it's really hard. There, that's the mouth. I do not know why it's a really big smile, but it is. And if you want me to show you how Acid, when you take him out, it's really funny. Just play Sprunki Pyramix on PlayHap, because that's literally also the only app you can really find it. And I think you already know how to spell Acid, because it's I-D, Acid. Let me just change that to a D. There. Acid. I'm just gonna add the acid leak to the D. So like and subscribe if you want more videos like this.